Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add call to action snippets to your website. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here module Dev website call to snippets. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to website app. Top right corner display here this edit button. Now click on and display here city snippets under this block section. Now click on, and city snippets is the one type of category and available or city snippets available. When you scroll down, then display all available city snippets. Just select and add on your website. If you want to modify this, then select this text and modify under this customization tab. You can also change this layout, background color, also change text color, change header style, font style, also change color, and also provided below city snippets. Just drag and drop here. Now another city subscribe. Sticky bar. Footer. So provided here 32 plus customization layout. You can easily add here to your website and make your website clearly, interactive and effective. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.